Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you in the world of mini drones. We'll be taking a closer look at the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the ATTOP Mini Drone. These two compact and portable drones are perfect for kids, beginners, and anyone looking to have some fun. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Both the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the ATTOP Mini Drone have a price tag of $49. This makes them affordable options for those looking to dip their toes into the world of drones without breaking the bank. When it comes to flight features, the Holy Stone Mini Drone offers toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. On the other hand, the ATTOP Mini Drone offers HD pictures, live videos, and FPV capabilities. You can connect your phone to the drone and enjoy a first-person view experience. The Holy Stone Mini Drone comes with altitude hold and headless mode, making it easier to control. Similarly, the ATTOP Mini Drone offers one key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and 3 speed modes for user-friendliness. The Holy Stone Mini Drone comes with 3 batteries, extending the flight time up to 21 minutes. On the other hand, the ATTOP Mini Drone offers a flight time of 5 to 6 minutes after a full charge. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is mini and portable, perfect for on-the-go fun. It also features full protection with propeller guards. The ATTOP Mini Drone is foldable and recommended for indoor use, with safe charging features to prevent accidents. Overall, reviewers have praised both the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the ATTOP Mini Drone for their affordability and suitability for kids and beginners. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is highly recommended for its customer support, multiple batteries, and features like headless mode and propeller guards. The ATTOP Mini Drone is praised for its HD pictures, live videos, and FPV capabilities. However, some reviewers mention that the Holy Stone Mini Drone is not suitable for outdoor use in windy conditions, while the ATTOP Mini Drone has a shorter flight time. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the ATTOP Mini Drone. Both drones offer unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and intended use. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy flying.